Okay, children, here we are again, okay? Now we are going to begin with language, okay? Look at the page, please. This is page number 91 in language, okay? Open your book in page 91, language, please. All right, so let's begin. This topic is sequencing words. This topic, this is very easy because you already handled this, okay? We already know these words. As you can see, sequencing words help us understand when an event is taking place. Look at the table to see examples of sequencing words that signal the beginning, middle, and end of a story. All of these words are used to name events in order, okay? We can use these words to tell a sequence of events. There are many sequencing words, but all of them help us understand in what order things happened. And they are always followed by a comma. For example, first, comma, I took a shower. Next, comma, I ate breakfast. Finally, comma, I caught the bus to school. So as you can see, when you speak, everybody use these words because when we say or when we tell a story or an event that happened to us, we usually use this kind of words because we need to put our ideas in order, okay? Let's look at this page, okay? Sequencing words. They are words that help us to understand the order when things happen. For example, first, in this example, first you mix together all the ingredients. That means you are mixing all the ingredients together. Next, you put the pie in the oven to bake. This is the oven, okay? And last, you take the pie out of the oven and eat it, okay? This part. So, sequencing words just help us to put the ideas in order. And remember, this is very important, they are always followed by a comma, okay? This is my big comma, okay? This is very important. So, when we go to our page, okay, we have the first exercise. This exercise, we're going to do it together, okay? It says, can you read with me the instructions, please? Label the sentences below with 1, 2, or 3 based on the order in which they happened. Use the sequencing words as a clue, okay? You have the sequencing words here on top. These words are used to talk about the beginning of an event. First, to begin one day. First of all, it all started when? In the morning. These are phrases. These are not only words, but these are phrases, but they are also used to indicate the beginning of an event. Then we continue with the middle words. The middle of the events we usually use these words. Next, then, later, before long, eventually, in the afternoon. And to say or to speak about the end of an event, we use these kind of words. Finally, at last, in the end, lastly, after all, at night. So these words, we have to put these sentences in the correct order, which our clues are the words, okay, that we are going to use. Check here. Number 1, it says, at last we arrived in Greece. First, we woke up early. Then, we flew 4 hours. So, according to our words that we have here, which goes in first place? Which has to be first? Okay. We already said it, right? This should be number 1. Okay? Just let me put here, okay? This should be number 1, okay? Then we have, what is the next one? That means the middle of the story or the event should be then. We have here then, okay? Then we flew 4 hours, yes? So this should be number 2. Okay, my number 2 is very down, but it should be here, okay? And the last part of the event, at last, we arrived in Greece. Can you see this? This is the ending part of the event. So we have here number 3. Oh, wait, I am not an expert handling this, but okay, right? That would be our first exercise. Can you try to do the next one, please? And I'll be with you in a moment, okay? That means number 2, okay? Okay, let's see. Number 1, it says, in the afternoon, I went to my sister's tennis match. In the morning, I went for a run. That evening, I had dinner with a friend. So, number 1, according to the words, the sequencing words, we have right here, right? That would be number 1. In the morning, I went for a run. What happened next? Okay. In the afternoon, I went to my sister's tennis match. That would be number 2. And of course, the last part of the event should be that evening I had dinner with a friend. That would be number 3, okay? All right, children, very good. So, we have to go to the next page. In the next page, you have this exercise. Well, they are 2 exercises, okay? That means that you have to write the words, the sequencing words that are missing in the blank spaces according to this narrative, this story. Add sequencing words in the blanks to help show the order of the events in the story below. Remember to add a comma after each sequencing words. Remember my big comma, okay? So you have to read this and write the correct word in each line, okay? Then you have the second exercise. Look at the pictures. Write at least 3 sentences to tell what is happening. Underline the sequencing words you chose. So these are 2 stories that you are going to tell according to the pictures. Look at the pictures, and then you have to write according to the events. You have to write the correct sentences. It says write at least 3 sentences. Okay? And the second one is the same, okay? This is the story, and you have to write it here with the sequencing words. So, good luck, children. I hope that you do this very, very well. Don't forget to use the dictionary. Please use the dictionary. And I'll see you in the next video, okay? Remember that we haven't finished. We are going with think tank in the next video. Okay, see you in a moment. Bye-bye.